All the birds are starting to arrive, guys, for the 4 o'clock classical. There's the prophet. The little birds, guys, getting ready for the 4 p.m. show, which is starting right now. Look how much they love classical, guys. Even the honey eaters love classical music. Rain and Bowie love it. Still waiting for Kookaburra, Cucaracha, the Kookaburra, Petunia. There's still more birds to come, guys. Look at her. She loves classic FM. You love classic FM, isn't it, Petunia? They just love classical music, guys. It's hard for me to tell them to go home because they want me to play it till nighttime. Are you going, Prophet? I call him the Prophet, guys, because he looks like, you know, he's smoking something. He's always looking into space. Maybe getting a prophecy or a vision of something. The prophet is actually in my, he's enjoying classical, guys. You like classical, don't you, Prophet? Yes, they love classical. We're waiting for the others, isn't it? Rain and Bo, we love classical, guys. Look at the prophet. He loves classical music.